A lot of people think that freelancing is an easy way to earn money. And then right in the middle, nahihirapan sila maghanap ng clients and they would rant about freelancing, ang hirap makapasok dyan, ang hirap makahanap ng clients. And then towards the end, makikita mo talaga sino yung determined na magsimula at sino yung naki-hype lang. Hi, Mary here, and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video. So pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. And a lot of times, what I notice is that people think na madaling magkapera sa freelancing. Work from home yan, nasa bahay ka lang, internet, computer gamit mo. And then, there are these people who thinks that gusto kong mag-freelancing, ano yung term na nakita ko? Data entry lang or chat moderator, and kailangan ko kasi kailangan ko na ngayon. Guys, sa freelancing, hindi madaling makahanap ng kliyente. And I always say this sa mga videos ko, but freelancing is not for everyone. So kung nagmamadali kayong makahanap ng pera, kailangan nyo na. Or meron namang mga tao na legit na kailangan nila and they're really hoping that maybe freelancing would be the answer to their problems. Like for example, we have here Black, sana nabasa ko ng tama. Sabi niya, any legit company na pwedeng mag-hire, no experience, hanap niya is chat moderator, badly need extra income para sa mama niya na may heart problem. And I'm sorry that this would come from me, but if urgent na yung pangangailangan mo sa pera, maybe freelancing is not the answer because, again, it's a process. Apart from it taking time to find clients, you really have to have the skill set already before ka pumasok at mag-start na maghanap ng clients. Now, a lot of times, if nag-work ka na ever, halimbawa nag-work ka na sa corporate or BPO or you've had your own business, at pagkatapos yung alam mo, currently, yun yung gagamitin mong selling point para makapasok sa freelancing, then that's good. Also, keep in mind na dahil nga marami ng tao sa freelancing at ang pag-land ng clients is quite a bit of a challenge. This is also not for those people who thinks na pwede kang pumasok as a freelancer or someone who works from home ng data entry lang. Because guys, first and foremost, data entry or data management is not lang. You have to have attention to details. Magkamali ka lang ng period o mabawasan mo lang ng isang zero yung pinapasok mo na data, may mali na kagad sa ginawa mo. Next, if you're looking to get into freelancing as chat moderator, thinking na okay lang doon kahit walang experience, baka mali yung napanood mong video. While pwede mong pag-aralan kung paano mag-start na mag-work from home, I just wanna let you know that number 1, hindi ito easy money. Number 2, you have to have the skills. And number 3, if ang mentality mo is naghahanap ka ng tumatanggap ng no experience because feeling mo madaling makapasok doon, you have to think again. Now, let me answer yung question na legit na company. Sa freelancing, hindi ito kagaya ng mga work sa labas na pupunta ka doon sa company pagkatapos ikaw ay a-apply. Ikaw ang maghahanap ng kliyente, which means hindi siya basta magpapasa ka ng resume. You have to be able to present yourself, and you have to be able to present your skill set, and you have to position yourself as someone who can help the company. A lot of times when we find work kasi sa labas, diba, iniisip natin may hiring sila, i-hire tayo kung fit tayo dun sa work. Dito sa freelancing, parang problem solver yung bagsakan natin. Kasi if people or if clients will hire you, they need to know ano yung problem nila na sinosolve nyo. Instead of, para kasi nga lumalabas, ang hinahanap natin is yung mga companies na tayo ang tutulungan. No, it's the other way around. As freelancers, tayo yung tumutulong dun sa mga companies. I hope maklarify nito kahit kaunti yung perception ng napakaraming tao about freelancing. And as usual, guys, comment any questions you have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!